Welcome to today's video, Quick Morning Energy, a light cardio blast. Alright, let's get you up and moving. Good morning to you. If you're feeling a bit groggy, a bit slow, or just not quite ready to face the day, then you've come to the right place. This little session is a quick, friendly wake-up call for your body and your mind. And we're going to coax ourselves into alertness in under 10 minutes. Think of it as a morning cup of tea for your whole body. Before we jump in, let's have a quick chat about the plan so you know exactly what's coming up. It's a simple structure, 4 exercise sets, working in intervals for each set. We do 40 seconds of work, followed by 20 seconds of rest. For every move, you'll see 2 options, an easier version and a slightly harder version. Tailor it to how you feel today. The goal is to keep moving for the 40 seconds, not to exhaust yourself. Remember, showing up is the biggest win. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your back straight, and your tummy muscles gently pulled in. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. If anything hurts, stop. March in place or take a longer rest. Your safety comes first. Right then, let's begin by gently waking up those muscles. We'll spend about a minute getting ready to move. Start by simply marching on the spot. Don't worry about speed or height yet. Let your shoulders loosen and your arms swing from the shoulder joint. Breathe in deeply. Feel your chest and belly expand. Exhale and let the tension melt away. Add gentle knee lifts to a comfortable height. Engage the core a touch and keep it fluid and rhythmic. You should feel your temperature rise a tiny bit. And that's our warm-up complete. Well done. Let's get ready for our first 40-second interval of work. Here we go. Option 1, march fast on the spot. Option 2, a gentle jog on the spot. Ready? Our 40 seconds starts now. Go. Keep your body upright. Drive the arms. It's not just the legs. Lift to a sustainable height and find your rhythm. Halfway, you're doing great. Too much? Drop to a brisk march. All good movement. Keep breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 10 seconds left. Core gently engaged. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. Slow it right down. Walk, shake out your arms, roll the shoulders. Big breath in, long breath out. First interval complete. Great job. Section 5, set 2, stepping into the day with energy. For the next 40 seconds, step side to side. Easier option, wide step right, feet together, then left. Harder option, add a light hop. Keep it springy and soft. Land softly, bend the knees to absorb impact. Keep chest lifted. Imagine you're between 2 panes of glass. You'll feel the sides of the legs and glutes working. Over halfway, steady pace, steady breath. If breath runs away, drop the hop and keep stepping. 10 seconds, you're in control, finish strong. And rest, bring it back to a gentle walk and take a deep breath. Set number 3, knee drives. Easier option, quick march. Lift the knees a bit higher. Harder option, drive the knee up, opposite arm forward, then switch. 40 seconds, let's begin. Find a strong, steady pace and squeeze the tummy muscles as the knee lifts. Keep the chest up and shoulders down. Protect the lower back. Power comes from legs and core, not rounding the spine. Past halfway, switch to a march anytime and keep moving. 10 seconds to go. Keep power and control. And remember to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Bring it down to a slow march. If you have water nearby, take a quick sip. Well done. Fourth and final exercise of the circuit, a low-impact burpee alternative. Stand squat and hands down, step back to plank, step in and reach overhead. Let's go for 40 seconds. Bend your knees and place hands to the floor. Step back 1 foot, then the other. Long line head to heels. Step in and stand tall, reaching overhead. Easier option, simply squat to a comfortable depth and reach up. If stepping back, keep the core engaged. Don't let the hips sag. Over halfway, quality over speed. 10 seconds. Get 1 or 2 good reps in. Finish strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Fantastic. That's 1 full round complete. Walk it out and breathe. We'll repeat the same 4 moves once more. You know them now. Focus on form and breathing. Back to the top. Fast march or gentle jog. 40 seconds. Go. Upright, arms active. Halfway, keep that steady rhythm. 10 second and rest for 20. Walk and breathe. Side to side steps. Add a small hop for challenge if you like. Chest lifted, soft knees. 10 seconds. You're doing brilliantly. And rest, shake out shoulders and legs. Knee drives, or march higher. 40 seconds on. Brace the core, chest up. 10 seconds, finish strong. Rest, quick sip if you have it. Final round move. Step to plank, step in, reach, or squat and reach. Keep it smooth and controlled. 10 seconds, brilliant effort. 2 full rounds complete. We're heading into our final minute of work. Finish on a high. Pick your favorite. Jog on the spot, side steps, knee drives, or squat and reach. Your final 40 seconds starts now. Let's go. This isn't flat out. It's good energy and controlled form. Shoulders down, core gently engaged. Bring your movement down to a gentle march and let your heart rate settle. Come to stillness, feet about hip width. Huge breath in, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up again. Exhale, lean right. Feel the left side stretch. Hold and breathe gently. Inhale to center. Exhale, lean left. Hold about 15 seconds. Arms down, roll shoulders forward, then back. For balance, hold a wall or chair. Step the right foot back, heel down, feel the calf. Hold and switch to the left side for 15 seconds. Finish with a soft neck bend, tilt to the right, then the left. And that's you done. Absolutely brilliant. Short movement, big impact. Remember to drink water today. Notice how you feel. Awake, energized, ready. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.